Hello, I'm Kathy, the art teacher. Today I've created a new craft video to show you how to make a pasta skeleton. The tutorial comes from my website, Arts Projects for Kids, which I hope becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step art lessons. Please check out my videos, and if you like them, hit that like and subscribe button that's up in the corner. It really does help me make more of these. Now here's a little bit more about this very popular Halloween craft project. You know, as much as students love to draw, I know that they really enjoy making things too. This pasta skeleton project is all about working with pasta and glue to build a skeleton body on a homemade board. It's fun for Halloween and can teach students a little more about bodies too. The supplies you're going to need for this project are craft sticks, masking tape, craft glue, rotini pasta, elbow macaroni, pasta shells, and spaghetti. If you'd like to get extra fancy and punch holes in your sticks so you can hang your skeleton, you'll need something like this crocodile punch, scissors, and some string. Now, to make a board with holes, it's best to punch a single stick first. Sometimes they splinter a bit, so it's good to just do one stick to make sure you get a good one. I'd like to make an extra tall board for my skeleton, so I'm going to use a total of 22 regular size craft sticks. You could make yours shorter if you just want the arms to hang down. Next, straighten the sticks as best you can before you tape them together. Using small pieces of masking tape, tape the sticks in the middle to keep them in place while you glue. Working with a few smaller pieces of tape is actually easier than one large one. Believe me, I've tried. No worries about how the tape looks. It's going to be taken off when things are dry. And I'm going to move that one piece of tape more towards the middle. The next step is to glue the back sticks in place. It helps to place a single stick to the side first, so you know how long your glue line should be. Make a generous line, press the stick in place, and repeat for the second stick. Repeat the same steps for the two sticks on the right. You'll find that craft glue really helps as it sets up so much faster than regular glue. When the board feels sturdy, turn it carefully over. I'm going to share one of my finished skeletons on the side here so you can see the pose that I am trying to copy. Feel free to make yours different though, that's what's so fun about this project. I'm going to start with the head, which is made from 3 shells. Make a circle of glue and fill it in, and arrange 3 shells to kind of form a round shape. The spine is made from 2 pieces of rotini. Make a line of glue that is the length of about 2 pieces and place the pasta on top and press in place. My spine is angled a bit so the skeleton looks a little more active. The hips are made from 4 pieces of elbow macaroni. Make circles of glue on each side of the spine, add 2 pieces to make a circle, and then repeat for the other side. This is one time small fingers really come in handy. Now it's time for the legs, which are made from spaghetti. Make a line of glue for each and start breaking the spaghetti to fit. Try to add a few sticks for each section so the legs look really strong. Plus, the single stick doesn't really show up very well. Use more spaghetti to make the feet. Break off some small pieces and stick them on the bottom of the legs. I have enough glue to do this here, but you might want to add more. Now come the shoulders and arms, which are also made from spaghetti. Make the right one the same way you made the legs, breaking the spaghetti to fit. Repeat the same steps to make the left arm. Try to add at least 2 sticks per section of the arm so they look as strong as the legs. Add a spot of glue for the hands. Break more spaghetti for the fingers and slide them in place. Don't worry how things look. The glue will dry clear and disappear before too long. The last step is adding elbow macaroni for the ribs. Make 3 small lines of glue on each side of the spine and slide 1 piece of macaroni on each. You can certainly add more too if you have room. Okay, this pasta skeleton is done. If you want to add a string to hang it, I like this hemp cord that I found at a craft store. You'll need a piece that is about this long. Tie it on the ends like this and you'll be all set. Here are 2 finished skeletons side by side to help you decide how tall you'd like to make your board. My sample on the right uses 22 sticks and the one on the left just 18. It works fine for poses that just have the arms hanging to the side and not up in the air. Hey, thanks for following along with me, and I hope you've enjoyed this pasta skeleton craft tutorial. I have even more craft tutorials on my website, Arch Projects for Kids, including how to make a popsicle easel. I hope you check that out too.